This video is sponsored by Copenhagen Grooming. More about them later. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Bugs Entertainment. I understand you've probably clicked this video because you're thinning out. You may be in your 30s, your mid-20s, and if you're in your teens, I'm sorry. I was in the same boat. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to go about styling your hair to achieve maximum thickness. I'll cover the do's and the don'ts. I also learned this crazy little brush technique the other day that lets you cover up bald spots. It's a crazy hack, and I'm going to share that with you guys. Anyways, enough messing about, let's get right into this. Okay, so what am I working with to give you guys some context? My hair is generally pretty short, but I still have some length to get some swag styles in. I have a receded hairline in both corners, and the thinnest parts of my head are directly on the crown. And the back top of my head also took a beating. It's unfortunate, but I ain't no quitter, I tell you. Starting off with the first hairstyle that in my opinion is actually the best hairstyle for covering up thinning. It's literally the easiest one as well, just straight up the nav cut. Resting the hair directly on the scalp makes the hair look much thicker. If you have any matte hairstyling putties or powders, this could add some texture that further creates those layers on your head, making it look thicker than that unibrow you forgot to pluck. You still have to make sure you set the hair properly on your head, and if you want to go the extra mile, you can add some hairspray to keep it in place. Okay, now it's important if you're using any products at all, just remember one term, the one takeaway term, matte. Matte products. Shiny products clump up the hair strands, and you already don't have enough hair strands to be clumped in the first place. So shiny bad, matte good. Now some of you may be wanting volume, I understand, but what needs to be understood is the more volume, the more chances that your head will find its way to present itself. For example, I'm styling my hair up using a matte styling powder. I've got it styled as high as I can get it, but if you take a look closely, you'll see that my scalp can't help but just say hello. So I may look like an early 2000s Chad, but it's at the cost of scalpage and receding hairline showage. Now don't get me wrong, voluminous styles is something guys want to do, and thinning hair shouldn't stop us. With that, I want to introduce Copenhagen Grooming's Hair Growth Kit and Hair Capsules. The Hair Growth Kit comes with the Moon Roller, the Activator Serum, and the Cleanser. These three guys come together to increase hair growth when you need it the most. Cleansing the Moon Roller before using, all you do is roll the Moon Roller on areas of thinning, 20 times horizontally and vertically. I'm using it on my hairline. I roll it multiple directions, ultimately promoting blood flow and making it easier for the absorption of the Activator Serum. Now I use the Activator Serum on the areas where I applied the roller. The serum is used every day, but the Moon Roller is used every third day. Alright, now slow down there. Copenhagen Grooming also has their hair capsules that are great for further promoting that hair growth. This capsule consists of pumpkin seed oil, which has been proven in a double-blinded study that an increase of up to 40% in hair growth was found in men suffering from mild to moderate hair loss. Alright, thank you for listening. Let's get back to the video. Now, if you're adamant on having volume on the top of your head, you can prop your hair into a side part. Now, the side part is tricky. You can use a blow dryer to get more volume, but at the moment, my hair is just short enough to shape it up on its own. Now, take a look at how I'm styling this. Notice I'm taking care of the front of my head, but the back is not even being looked at. Believe it or not, my friends, just because you can't see the back of your head doesn't mean everyone else can either. I haven't taken care of the back, and now this is what it looks like. You can see everything. It doesn't look good. It looks untamed. It looks bad. But don't worry now, this is where my barber's trick of the trade comes in. You're supposed to brush the hair in the direction that the hair grows. So as you can see, my hair naturally grows in a circle formation, I guess. Now when all the hair is brushed in that general direction, the hair looks so much more thicker because it's not being pushed in directions it's not supposed to be. What you can do to finalize this is put a little hairspray on the top, holds it in place, and you're all good to go now, son. Now this hairstyle combated with a well-tamed back of the head, it works. But like I said before guys, we're men with thinning hair. Life doesn't come easy. So if you want to go with the next level swagged out side part, there's consequences. The consequences are if you put your hair a little up and the sun gets through, the scalp comes out. It's just the way it goes. Anyways guys, that'll be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. I also want to thank Copenhagen Grooming for sponsoring this video. I'm leaving all their information in the description box down below. And I just want to leave one final message for my thinning haired men out there. Hair transplants are an option. Turkey, my friends. I'll see you there. This is Bugs